In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a document in Cursor AI quickly and the right way. This is really useful if you want Cursor to understand your project docs, reference material, or any online documentation while you work. It can help improve the quality of responses, make coding assistance more accurate, and save you time when building inside Cursor. If this video helps, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Cursor AI on your computer. Once Cursor is open, look to the top right corner of the app and click the gear icon to open settings. This is where you can control different options for the editor and connect helpful features. After the settings panel opens, look for the section called Indexing and Docs. Click on that because this is the area where Cursor manages the documents and sources it can reference. Now scroll down until you find the docs section. This part is specifically for adding documentation sources that Cursor can use while answering questions or helping you work through code. When you find it, click Add Doc. A field will appear where you can enter the document link. At this point, simply paste the URL of the documentation or page you want Cursor to index. Make sure the link is correct before continuing because Cursor will use that source as part of its reference material. Once the URL is pasted, Cursor will begin adding the document so it can be used inside your workspace. Depending on the source, it may take a few moments for indexing to finish. After that, your document is connected and ready to help Cursor give you better, more context-aware answers. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a document in Cursor AI in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.